Moving from London to the coast is a wonderful decision. I wake up every morning and walk along the coast before starting work, and it's a great way to start the day. Just get your energy levels up, then start work. Living sustainably is important to us. This is one of the reasons we bought this house, because it was built with those sustainable principles. We don't have to have the heating on. We turned the heating off at the beginning of March. And it's something that we're very keen on ensuring that we have. We have recycled water as well, so it's one of our core values. From a savings aspect, it's really interesting. So we've had the system since October, and from a consumption aspect, we're almost zero. From a financial aspect, the only thing we've been paying the electricity company since the beginning of March is the standing charge. Over the course of a year, we will probably be independent of the energy companies for about 9 months of that year. It is empowering to be able to produce your own energy. You're giving back to the grid and you are actually consuming much less fossil fuels. This transformation means that we're future-proofing our energy consumption, and our goal is to have a net zero consumption.